Meenakshi Faculty of Arts and Science for Women at KK Nagar, Chennai. Admissions open for BCom, BSc, BBA, BCA and Viscom. Apply now.
I thought it must be for something big, but I never expected that it was for Tala Ajit sir. நாளைக்கு நிம்மதிய நீருத்தா இன்னைக்கு இறங்கி செதுக்கிடணும். I had this dream that I should definitely work with Yuvan sir, but I never expected that this would happen so soon.
சினிமா வீடன் வியூவர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு பெரிய வணக்கம். குட்டி ஸ்டோரி வித் கிருஷ்ணால இப்ப நம்ம கூட ரொம்ப நாள் எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருந்த ஒரு பெரிய அப்டேட் வலிமை டீம்ல இருந்து நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ஸோ வலிமையோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சிங்கிள் நமக்கு இப்போ ரிலீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு, நாங்க வேற மாதிரி. ஸோ அந்த பாடலை பாடியவர் அனுராக் குல்கர்னி. ஸோ அனுராக் ப்ரோ வணக்கம், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
வணக்கம், நான் நல்லா இருக்கீங்க. எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சுது, பட் I'll just manage to. I mean, I'm still learning.
எப்படி வந்துட்டு இருக்கு நாங்க வேற மாதிரி?
Basically, it happened, I think, 3 months ago. So, like, I suddenly, like, I work in Telugu mostly, but like, as I was recording, I suddenly got a call from Yuvan sir's office, and I had to go there, and they told me that they wanted to try a song. So I just went without any. I didn't even know for what film I was singing for. So like Chuma, I just went and I tried, and like they liked it, and like I did not know until almost just it was close to release and all. I did not expect that this was for Tala Ajit sir's film, and this was for most anticipated film Valimai, and so many people would be waiting for that. And we know how the rampage of Valimai has been happening in Twitter and all. We have been watching since many months and all. So I'm really glad, and this is like a blessing in disguise for me.
பிரதர், இது ஓப்பனிங் சாங் அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு எப்போ தெரிஞ்சது பிரதர்? இல்ல முதல்ல சொன்னாங்களா இது வலிமையில ஓப்பனிங் சாங்?
No, தெரியாது. Actually, I don't know. But when I was singing, they told me that it was for a hero introduction song, and it needs that heroic kind of thing. It needs a lot of like grandeur and all. So even when I heard the track, I was like very happy listening to that, because of such a we were dancing in the studio when we were recording the song. So I thought it must be for something big, but I never expected that it was for Tala Ajit sir, who we have been seeing him since many years. We have grown watching him. Even in Telugu, we watch a lot of films of his dubbed. So
okay. உங்களுக்கு தல அஜித் அப்படின்றவர் எப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரிய ஆரம்பிச்சு?
There is this film called Priyuralu Pichindi. In Tamil, I don't know. It's like Ajit sir and Aishwarya Rai ma'am and Tabu ma'am. So that one, like, it's a very famous film, and the audio is also like a super duper hit. So like a lot of us like watch that film. In Telugu, it's a very big hit film. So okay. we know Ajit sir since we were kids and all, since our school days. So we have been watching a lot.
Okay. Any first day first show moments?
Actually, a little weird thing is that I don't watch so many films because since last 3 to 4 years I've been continuously working that I never got time to go and celebrate and watch a film on first day for show, because like I'm always stuck up with work and also so that is the case with me.
Okay brother, உங்களோட அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரெஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். யுவன் பார்த்தோனே உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஃபீலிங் தோணி இருக்கும்ல, அந்த விஷயம் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க. ஏன்னா யுவனோட சாங்ஸ் எல்லாமே கேட்டிருந்திருப்பீங்க, ரசிச்சிருந்திருப்பீங்க. ஸோ யுவன் கூட ஒர்க் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்றப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரெஷன் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு?
I had this dream that I should definitely work with Yuvan sir, but I never expected that this would happen so soon. Like because I was just doing good in Telugu, and like I really did not expect that this would happen so soon. So I still can't believe this happened, and I'm still sinking in the energy of that thing. So I'm really thankful to Almighty for making all this happen.
ஓகே ஓகே. ஆக்சுவலி when this happened சார், இது எப்போ நடந்துச்சு இந்த விஷயம்? நீங்க தான் பாடணும்.
This happened I think approximately on March 7th, like that. I've recorded. Yeah, I've recorded the song on March 7th.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. ஸோ இங்க வந்தீங்க, ஒர்க் பண்ண எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? ஆக்சுவலா யுவன் கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணது.
It's good. Basically, with this song, when I was recording, previously I've sung a couple of songs in like a couple of hero introduction songs in Telugu also. Like for Pawan Kalyan sir, I've sung for Katamarayudu. So there, the thing is a little different, and here the thing is a little different. So I could learn, different techniques of how people treat music in Tamil, and like I was giving a little different ideas, as in how I want to emote this song and how they want to record it. They've recorded this song according to the requirement of the audience here, because here the audience are very particular about how they imagine their superhero, like the hero and all. So it was a quite new experience working on the hero introduction song in Telugu and in Tamil. They both are different and beautiful in their own ways. So I'm really glad that I could get to sing the song.
ஓகே ஓகே. நீங்க சொன்னீங்க யூனிக்கா இருக்கும், தெலுங்குக்கு ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கும் தமிழுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் யூனிக்கா இருக்கும் ஓப்பனிங் சாங் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க. கேன் யூ டிஃபரன்ஷியேட், ஏதாவது ஒரு ரெண்டு டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் இல்லனா ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் சொல்லலாமா?
It's not like different in the sense the way we record, like it's technically it's a little different. It's not like a difference in sense hero introduction song in Telugu also it's like a huge thing with a huge setup and like a grand track and all. But here in Tamil I found that it's little towards a melodic side, where we kind of have that elements where everybody can sing and hum the song. Like it's like the hero is singing for all the audiences and all. So like that I enjoyed doing this song.
ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் பர்టిక్యులரா யுவன் சார் சொன்னாரா பிஃபோர் ரெக்கார்டிங்? இந்த சாங் பத்தி ஏதாவது உங்ககிட்ட சொன்னாரா?
Not actually. We've just heard the song and I've learned, and basically I took a little more time for all just to get the pronunciations right, because I don't want to take any chance of getting things the other way. So I just took more time for the pronunciation and all, and the rest all went smoothly. And I didn't even know how the recording happened. It was very in a very short span of time we have finished the recording, and they were like, okay, fine, like we'll see. I mean, I did not know that this would come out this way, and I did not know that this would be for this film and all. So I did not ask them as in which film is this for and all. So I had no clue of how this song is gonna come out. I just sang and I did my work and I left the studio. That's it.
ஓகே. எப்போ தெரிஞ்சது ஆக்சுவலா இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம தல அஜித் தான் பாடி இருக்கோம்?
One week before, I got a call from Yuvan sir's office asking for the credit. So for the credit, they asked me. I mean, for my name and all. So apo like I've also got to just ask them for which film is it. So they've told me that it's for Valimai.
சொன்னோட உங்களோட ரியாக்ஷன்?
Of course, first of all, I could not believe that this was happening, and I like how I told you in the beginning, I'm still sinking in the I'm still asking myself whether it happened for real or not. I'm pinching myself.
உங்களோட ரொம்ப ஃபேவரட்டான ஒரு லைன் அப்படினா?
சரணம்ல வந்து like this first few lines, ஓ வீட்டு முதப்பாரு அடத்தானாவே சரியாகும், ஓ ஊரு கருத்து சொல்ல நான் ஞானி இல்ல, ஆனா எடுத்து சொன்னா எந்த தப்பும் இல்ல. So it's like if we are actually taking care of our house first, the whole community will be good, and to express something good, a person need not be that ஞானி knowledgeable. So anybody can say and preach good. So that like actually a lot of the whole lyrics, all the lines I totally loved it, but these lines I actually enjoyed while singing.
ஓகே. தமிழ் ஐயா, அதாவது இந்த லிரிக் பிடிக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சா?
Not exactly, because uh, I usually write down all the meanings of all the words, and I do some preparation before I record the song. I don't sing the song without knowing meaning of any word, and without knowing the correct pronunciation of that. So in that way, I took a lot of care to record this. So I think it was all the work that went into this. So it was all the work that we're doing.
அதாவது இந்த சாங்க்கு நீங்க பாடினாதான் ஆப்டா இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது இவன் எப்படி ஃபைனல் பண்ணாரு?
No, actually they just called me to try and check. It was not like this was not like only I'll be singing this song. So they just called me to try, and I don't know what happened after the recording. So I recorded the song and I left, and I also watched with all you guys at the premiere of the song.
எவ்வளவு நேரம் போச்சு இந்த ஒரு ரெக்கார்டிங் செஷன்? எவ்வளவு நேரம் போச்சு?
I think it went on for about 3 hours approximately.
ஓகே. 3 hourல முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. சூப்பர். இந்த கஷ்டமான நீங்க சொன்னீங்கல்ல, எனக்கு தமிழ்ல இந்த வேர்டு அந்த உச்சரிப்பு எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு, பட் அவங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்து ப்ராப்பரா வெளியே வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த லைன் மட்டும் எங்களுக்காக பாடி காட்டலாமா?
Actually it's good, but whenever I get something like vaara veedu avadoda tattvam, so that thing, if I'm getting back to back and all, so such lines maybe I felt a little tongue twisting kind of thing, but rest all it was like good recording. And I have prior exposure to Tamil songs, and also I've stayed in Chennai for 8 months while I was working here. So I have a little exposure towards the culture and the language also. So it helped me more in getting this thing easier.
ஓவராலா இந்த சாங்கோட ஃபுல் கம்போசிங் முடிச்ச பிறகு நீங்க கேட்டிருப்பீங்கல்ல, கேட்டப்போ நீங்க என்ன நினைச்சீங்க பிரதர்? ஃபுல்லா ஒரு கம்போஸ் ஆன பிறகு.
So when I heard it in Yuvan sir's voice only. So I heard Yuvan sir's version. So it was like super. See, when composer sings a particular song, that feel will definitely be very nice. So I heard that, and I was totally enjoy recording this. There was only joy, and I did not think of anything else except that celebration mood and all. So we were all enjoying in the studio. We were all dancing, and we were all recording, and we enjoyed a lot. This happened like a festival, I can say, because with a lot of people recording the song.
Any message from Yuvan?
No, like basically I think Yuvan sir speaks very less. So he's a man of very few words. So it like everything was fine, and they were like I think what I felt was like already the audience were eagerly waiting for all this. So I think everybody were waiting for the audience response, and he was like cool with the song. That's it. Like there was nothing extra other than what we have worked for. It was everything was silent. As they say, the storm comes silently. So everything came silently, and it became a storm.
Any message from Tala side இருந்து ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் வந்துச்சா இந்த பாட்டோட?
Not yet, but hopefully the response I'm getting.
நாங்க வேற மாதிரி.
Sure. வீட்டு முத பாரு அடத்தானாவே சரியாகும் ஊர கருத்து சொல்ல நான் ஞானி இல்ல, ஆனா எடுத்து சொன்ன எந்த தப்பும் இல்ல. நாளைக்கு நிம்மதியா நீ இருக்கா, இன்னைக்கு இறங்கி செதுக்கிடணும். ஓ எண்ணத்தோட நீ அமைச்சுக்கிட்டா எல்லாமே அழகாகும் சரியாகும்.
சூப்பர் 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 சூப்பர். அந்த லிரிக் வீடியோ நீங்க கண்டிப்பா பாத்துருப்பீங்க.
ஓகே,
நீங்க தல நம்ம தல
obviously நம்ம தல like it was a feast to eyes to watch the video, and also sound wise the song was so enriching, and it was so grand. It's like a grand celebration, and I think more than me, the audience have already spoke in the form of response. So all I can say is thank you so much to all the Tamil audiences, and thank you Yuvan sir for the song, and of course special mention to Vasu sir and also Guru sir, the sound engineer, because like only because of all everybody's effort, a song will be shaped up in a beautiful way. So I'm really thankful for all of them.
ஓகே ஓகே, கண்டிப்பா நம்ம வந்துட்டு இந்த இடத்துல லிரிசிஸ்ட் பத்தி கேட்டே ஆகணும். ஸோ விக்னேஷ்
Yeah,
சிவன்
I'm sorry. Yeah. Special mention to Vignesh Shivan sir. So singing for Yuvan sir is a special thing, and in that Vignesh Shivan sir's combo is like double special. It's like a double dhamaka, double bonanza. So it's like really, I'm really glad that this happened, and special thanks to Vignesh Shivan sir for such beautiful, inspiring lyrics filled with positivity. And I hope I did some justice to your words, and thank you so much.
ஃபேவரட் சாங் இன் தமிழ், ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபேவரட் சாங்?
Kashtamana question is this one. Lot of songs are my favorite, irrespective of language, Tamil or Telugu. I'm a very big devotee of Ilayaraja sir. So all Raja sir's Tamil songs are like masterpieces. I mean, Tamil, Telugu, anything. Yeah. So
brother, one unforgettable moment during இந்த நாங்க வேற மாதிரி சாங் ரெக்கார்டிங் அப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு அன்ஃபர்கெட்டபிள் மொமெண்ட் இருக்கும்?
So when I sang this these high lines like all those things, like everybody enjoyed that, that we got a high in when we were recording that. So that was a nice moment that I also.
Thank you so much Anurag bro. ரொம்ப நன்றி உங்களோட டைம்காக. ஸோ பாட்டு வந்துட்டு பட்டைகளை, அதாவது இன்னும் ஒரு நாள் கூட முடியல, அதுக்குள்ள கிராஸ்ட் 7 million அப்படின்னு யூடியூப்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ வந்துட்டு மிகப்பெரிய ஹிட் அடிக்கும் அப்படின்றதுல எந்தவித டவுட்டும் இல்ல. தேங்க்யூ சோ மச். ஸோ கேட்டுட்டோம், பாக்குறதுக்காக ரொம்ப ஈகர்லி வெயிட்டிங் இன் தியேட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ
even I'm waiting. But once again I thank the team of Valimai, Tala Ajit sir and Yuvan sir. Yeah, H Vinod sir and Tala Ajit sir, Yuvan sir, and producer Boni Kapoor sir, and lyricist Vignesh Shivan sir, and all the technicians who worked on this song. Thank you so much, and of course audience, without you guys nothing is possible. So thank you so much. Romma nandri.
Thank you ரொம்ப நன்றி brother. Thank you.
Meenakshi Faculty of Arts and Science for Women at KK Nagar, Chennai. Admissions open for BCom, BSc, BBA, BCA and Viscom. Apply now.